What's cooking, you may ask? So let me reveal it to you right now. So here we have some good vegetables. You have cauliflower, you have broccoli, you have French beans, we have purple cabbage, and a slice of, you guessed right, cucumber. In one pot we have some pork. I know some people, or rather let's say Muslims and some other people, don't like pork, either for religious reasons or because it's just something that they don't like. But this is what I'm having today. If you want to replicate the meal, you can replace it with your favorite meat, either chicken, beef, turkey, liver, heart, kidneys, all those things. Yeah, at the end of the day, I want you to put in work for lack of a better word. Okay, let me add some water. So this is how I cook. I don't use any cooking oil. Long time ago, that is about a year, I used to prepare my meals using ghee, olive oil or coconut, but lately I've just preferred just boiling and just salting. What else? Avocado to crown the whole meal. These are quality fats, man. No seed oils, no vegetable oils. My oils, I'm getting them from avocado. This is my choice. And then something else to boost the protein. I have eggs over here, 5 eggs. So this meal, I'm going to divide it into 2. Yes, this is a single meal that I'm going to divide into 2 because I'm going to the gym in the next 1 hour or 2. That is, I'm not training, I'm going to train my clients. So what I'm going to have is this meal, yes, with the 5 eggs. And then in the evening when I come back, I'll add more eggs to the same pot. You feel me? Alright. So let's just stir until the vegetables are just a little bit soft. I don't cover. I just love seeing what's cooking. I don't know how you do your meals. This thing is very simple. Do you want to burn fat in the natural way, in the simplest way, without having to do so much exercises? For me, this is the most sustainable way of burning fat, and also for longevity. That is, if you want a long life without illnesses, you know, most of the diseases that we have in this modern world, 90% are caused by everything that we are putting in our bodies, things that we put in our mouths. Yes? And some people might wonder, and I've heard people say this: oh, I cannot eat my food without seasoning, I cannot eat my food without this spice, I cannot eat without soda, I cannot eat without a beverage beside me. That is a sugar beverage, definitely. So one time I was in police custody and we didn't have food, there was no water, there was no going to what do we call this place, the loo, that is the toilet, man. You don't even want to know how we used to relieve ourselves. It's crazy. So while I was there, I wondered and I thought, how life out here is way too comfortable for us, because in there no one is saying I cannot eat this. Everyone was, the following day, after about 24 hours, we were served with tea and a single chapati. My friend, everyone jumped to it because we didn't know when our next meal will be. Yes? So out there, Stop giving excuses. No excuses. I learned that in there while you are locked up, there is no, whatever you are served, that's what you're going to eat. Yes? Nobody cares about that you don't eat whatever you'll be served. Otherwise, you're going to starve in there. Yes? It's crazy, man. So, out there, I'm talking to you, stay motivated. Just choose. And when I came out, I just decided to continue with my way of life, just eating healthy 100%. No excuses, yes? Alright. So, meal is cooking. I just love doing these long form videos as I talk to you and as the meal gets ready. Let me show you what I'm going to do with this one. This is like an SMR video, ASMR, or well, I call it a mukbang because not really a mukbang because I'm not going to show my face eating. So so some people might wonder how I know whether this food is ready. So I've learned to cook in about 45 minutes. So I'll just let it boil, and I'm not going to pour the water. I'll just put in the eggs and just stir. It's going to be one epic meal. One epic meal. It's now the cucumber softened. The French beans are yet to soften, so I'll just add a little bit of water and reduce the heat. Alright. There you go. So let's just give it a little bit of time and then we'll add the eggs. So I'll just pause the video at this point. Back to business. Back to business. Now let's add in the eggs one by one. 5 eggs. The journey must continue. The first one in. Second one in. That egg. Fourth. And then the 5th one. Awesome. There you have it. What do we do now? We do what we do best. We stir. Remember always to turn down the heat. Nice. Wait. Before you say anything, be patient. I know most of you are used to ordinary foods. That's what I'm going to call your food. Full of carbohydrates. But the idea here is to have a balanced meal. Nutrient dense foods. See? It's coming through. Almost there. Now the water is disappearing. Just wait and see the magic happen. You can see the broccolis. You can see the cauliflowers. Can you see them? Or you can only see the eggs. Alright, awesome. So pork, broccoli, that is a vegetable mix, and eggs. The one you just avocado. show you. Here you go. One last stir. This is the last stirring. I don't want it too dry. See? There you have it. Let's pause and then I'll show you the complete meal. And here you go. Here's our full complete meal. Yeah, there you have it. So enjoy. If you have any question, you know what to do. Direct it to my Instagram at Fit with Timo, or simply Google Get Fit with Timo. We have the comment section over here on YouTube. Ask me any question and let's see how I can help you. Get Fit with Timo. Have a good time. Bye bye.